In this video, let's look at how to run MER tool on Linux OS. Open a web browser and enter thrive.trellix.com. Log in with your credentials on the next page. Once logged in, you should see Trellix Thrive homepage. Scroll down to Knowledge and click on Explore Articles. On the next screen, search for Trellix Agent for Linux. Click on How to use the MER tool for Trellix Agent for Linux and Unix. Scroll down to the bottom of the knowledge base and download the zip file. After the file is downloaded, please move the file to the system in question. I'm using WinSCP tool here to transfer the file under root temp directory. I've already logged into the system in this PuTTY session. I'm navigating to temp as the file is copied there. I can see Agent Linux MER version 4.0 listed here. Let's extract the file using the command unzip, followed by the file name. The extracted files contains a script and a text file. Now let's add an execute permission to the script file using command chmod+x followed by the script name. Let's execute the file using sudo.front/ followed by script name and hit enter. The process may take a couple of minutes. When the script completes, it shows the file name with an extension .tar.gz. Transfer this file using WinSCP or other methods to share it with technical support. Thanks for watching.